In this video, we're going to introduce the major building energy codes used in the United States to mandate building energy performance. We're going to take a look at why energy codes exist, what the benefits are from code compliance, and finally where the best opportunities lie, such as in controlling lighting loads and other large electrical loads. While lighting sources continue to increase in efficiency, this electrical load still remains the largest in commercial buildings. And much of lighting usage is really not necessary. Many spaces are over-illuminated, often not taking into account the daylight entering the space or the fact that the space may be vacant much of the workday. And when you consider that 75% of commercial buildings were constructed before 1989, when no energy codes were in place and few energy-efficient control technologies existed, it's clear that there's a lot of opportunity to capture energy savings through lighting alone. By mandating specific control provisions of these loads, codes enable energy reductions, corresponding reductions in CO2 emissions, and cost savings to business and property owners. In the U.S., there are three major energy codes that are either adopted outright or influential in code development at the specific jurisdiction levels. These are ASHRAE Standard 90.1, IECC, and California Title 24. Let's talk first about ASHRAE Standard 90.1, generally considered to be the nation's primary commercial energy code, in part because it has been adopted as the national reference standard by the federal government. This standard is currently in its 2010 version. As we can see from the shaded map, many states have older versions of 90.1 in place: 2007, 2004, 2001, even 1999. Many state-specific codes are based on this standard, and the IECC code that we'll talk about in a minute references 90.1 as a compliance option. Standard 90.1 is also used as a compliance threshold in the commercial building tax deduction provisions in EPACT, as well as in the LEED rating system. The IECC is the International Energy Conservation Code, developed by the International Code Council, or ICC. It's a model code that can be directly adopted by a state or other jurisdiction. Finally, let's take a quick look at California's Title 24. This is developed by the California Energy Commission and is often regarded as the most stringent of all energy codes. As such, it has been influential in future development of other standards at the national, state, and municipal levels. Title 24 2013 will become effective January 1st, 2014.